Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time we'll be checking out some really cool tech you can use in your kitchen space to make the day-to-day work smart and easier and a whole lot more efficient. As usual, please find the links to all the mentioned products in the description below. And in order not to miss any of the new content, do subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as the next tech update is in. First on the list, we have product name the Chopbox, a smart cutting board that brings a whole lot in one, literally to the table. This is made out of natural bamboo wood and has a whole lot of features packed into one board. 2 knife sharpeners, a timer which you can keep track of your cooking up to 9 hours, a weight measuring pad to measure your ingredients on the board itself, a UV light sterilizer for your knives, which supports up to 3 blades at a time. The battery itself is charged with a USB cable and is said to be able to power the board for 30 days with a single charge. But even if you have to charge once a week, I don't think that'll be that difficult as well. The board itself is made completely waterproof so that there are no problems with cleaning after use, and is also a very sturdy piece of tech as per the feedback from the users, that the board leaves no smells from the ingredients on the cutting surface, and also that it is very well made so that no knife marks are left as well. All in all, this is a great addition to your kitchen setup, which will help you reduce the amount of equipment as well as make the process quite efficient. If your YouTube feed is filled with tasty videos, this smart cooktop should definitely be familiar to you. Tasty One Top by Cuisinart. This is a smart induction cooktop. Induction basically meaning that your pan or pot somehow has to have some sort of a magnetic base to it, which is quite easy to figure out by sticking a few fridge magnets to them, and if they stick to the pan is induction friendly. As this is a smart cooktop, it comes with a few out of the ordinary perks, such as its very own temperature probe, which you can hook to the cooktop and monitor through the cook app of the device. Speaking of the app, which is the feature that makes this product so good, using this, you are able to monitor not only the internal temperatures of your food, but also make use of all the hundreds of recipes that come with it, that is made specifically for the Tasty One Top. There is also the mode where it lets you choose what you're cooking, like steaks or seafood, desserts, etc., and gives you options and instructions from the very beginning to the very end on how to get it perfectly right, making the whole process so easy, efficient, as well as in the end a whole lot delicious. Also, when it comes to messes and drips, as the product is so well made, you can easily just spray some cleaning liquid on the surface and wipe off without any problems, making the whole cleaning process that much easier. I definitely suggest this as an essential to a smart kitchen, which will make cooking a whole lot fun. Next, we have a product that specifies in getting the freshest herbs from your own tiny garden, right from your kitchen top. Meet Vegidair. With the Vegidair 1, you can grow up to 16 different plants at home 365 days a year. You just need the Avid growth media, seeds from your local garden center, and then you add the nutrients and pour water into the 8-liter water tank. And that is literally it for the next 4 weeks. The product comes with an internal hydroponic system with a water pump that mimics the nature's wet and dry cycles for the plants, which together will help the seeds sprout very quickly with your first harvest within 4 to 6 weeks. As you are your own farmer, this can make sure that there are no harmful pesticides or chemicals involved, and that the plants are perfectly fresh for use when you need. This is definitely a cool innovation for the new trend of homegrown foods and for the modern homes, where people usually don't have much space to grow their own food at home. Next up, we have a product named the ORI Kit, a unique set of cooking utensils by a group of Turkish designers, which is also the first set of origami utensils in the world. This is made up of a relatively soft material, silicone and Teflon, which in its original form looks only like a couple of flat polygonal shades, which you can assemble into different types of utensils with different volumes. The full ORI kit includes 4 base utensils, a funnel, a spatula, and a set of measuring spoons, and also a mini colander. The utensils itself can stand up to 260 degrees of Celsius and are very durable and safe to use. And also, as all items will remain flat when not in use, it will save tons of space in your kitchen as well. Next, we have a product from one of the best brands for blenders, Vitamix. Vitamix A3500, one of their newest smart blenders on the Ascent series. This has preset settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and also for self-cleaning, which creates amazing results. A new programmable time on the device will help you create great, consistent recipes, displaying how long you've been blending, how much time is left, and also automatically stops the process when the time runs out. You can also add in variable speed settings and pulses, which will definitely help in exploring your creativity to the next level. Vitamix is also the very first brand to introduce a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity, meaning the blenders read each container separately and adjust the blending times automatically. The containers are self-cleaning using the preset settings and are also dishwasher safe, making it very easy to clean up. Next in line is a modernized version of an age-old kitchen equipment named Prep Skillet, a modern cast iron skillet that can do almost everything a normal pan plus an iron skillet can do. Cast iron skillets are usually the equipment that is used for any kind of cooking that involves a lot of heat, like searing, baking, frying, and the special feature in the Prep Skillet is that this has everything a usual cast iron skillet has to offer, plus the convenience of a normal pan as well, so you can have all your cooking in one pan easily. The skillet itself has been redesigned, polished smooth and seasoned for perfection, making it naturally non-stick without any of the chemicals. You can use this to prepare any type of food on any type of surface, on a cooker, burner, induction top, even on a campfire with an open flame. There is also an app made just for the Prep Skillet by its designers, where you can find so many types of recipes tailor-made for the skillet itself, which you can help in inventing your own recipes. The skillet comes in 2 sizes at 10 and 12 inches, and also the designers have included a series of accessories you can add on, so you'll be prepped for any preparation. Next on the line is actually a simple gadget that will make handling the waste produce easier in your kitchen. Simple Human Sensor Can. This is basically a smart waste disposal can which has a gesture sensor on top that would help in opening and closing of the lid just by a wave of hand on top of it, without you having to touch it. Also, the main smart feature of this is that it comes with a built-in voice control, which should be quite helpful when your hands are full. Basically, you can say open sesame, open can, or stay open, close can, and it will pick up your voice using the microphone next to the sensor and do just that. Next on the list is actually not a smart gadget at all, but I think this is a great addition for a modern kitchen, especially with people thinking more and more about living green. This is called Zipbag. This is basically a solution for all the plastic we use for storing food items, which done right would have a great impact in the long run. The bags are easy to use, will keep your food hot or cold, spill proof, high temperature safe, as well as microwave and freezer safe. With this neat design, you can easily take the bags with you, and also with the help of the small dial in front, you can even track leftovers and meal preps. It's also very easy to clean and saves a lot of space with its minimal design.
That's it for today, guys. Do let us know in the comments what you like the most and also what you'd like to see next. We're also working on some exciting giveaways pretty soon, so do stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and do click the bell icon as well so that you won't miss any of our videos to come. Stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.